Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade eyebrow gel full guide. Start by gathering castor oil, aloe gel, beeswax, vitamin E, a clean container, and a spoolie. Sanitize everything and set up a double boiler for gentle melting. Measure a ratio of oil to wax roughly 3:1 for a smooth, flexible gel. Keep a small funnel and dropper handy for pouring into the container. Warm the beeswax gently and combine it with castor oil and aloe gel until you reach a creamy, workable consistency. Stir consistently to blend the oils and wax, aiming for a smooth, glossy texture that coats hairs without stiffness. Remove from heat before adding vitamin E and any optional essential oil. This preserves potency and scent. Test a small amount to adjust firmness by adding more oil or wax as needed. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing useful beauty tips, and thanks for the support. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker is a fun addition to your routine, perfect for playing playlists while you craft eyebrow gel or timing steps hands-free. I've linked it and other deals in the description for easy access, and now let's get back to the video. Pour the warm mixture into a sterilized container using a small funnel or spatula to minimize spills and air bubbles. Let it cool fully at room temperature without disturbing the surface, then seal with a tight lid to maintain freshness. Store in a cool, dry place and label with the preparation date. Check the gel before each use and discard if the scent or color changes to ensure safety and performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.